Hi everyone, this is John Taylor, and this video will provide an overview of how to get your Mac authentication switched over to our new BRid. This is going to be a short video, and we're going to use self-service to do it. But before we start, we need to make sure we know what our current password is. Let's open System Preferences on our Mac, click on Users and Groups, and in the bottom left corner, click on the gold padlock. This will allow us to test what our current Mac password is. Go ahead and type your password in. Click unlock, and if you got it right, it'll unlock it. Now that we know what that is, we can move on to the next step. Open your email, and you will have received an email from JumpCloud when we created your account. Excuse all the pop-ups there. Click on Setup Account, the big orange button. This will take us to the JumpCloud registration page. Your first and last name are already in there, but go ahead and use that same Mac password that you just tested. We're going to go ahead and set your JumpCloud BottleRocket ID password to be the exact same one. This is part of the important aspect of this, is that your passwords match through this process. Optionally, you can click to log in and test your account if you want to. If you weren't sure if you typed your password correctly, now's a good time to verify. Use your full email address here when logging into the JumpCloud portal. But FYI, your BRid is simply your first dot last name. Just like on your Mac now, the user account is just first dot last. So we got logged in, we know our password is good, we can sign out, we can close Safari, and we can close out of Outlook, and let's move on to the next step. We need to open self-service, and we need to update our inventory, because now that our JumpCloud BottleRocket Identity account is set up, our Mac needs to know that it's ready to go. So find Inventory Update. It's in the Featured section. You'll see I clicked on the left and Featured. And we're going to submit inventory. This takes maybe a little less than a minute. Part of this inventory update is a script that is checking your local user count and also talking to JumpCloud to verify that that same user account is set up in JumpCloud. Once this finishes, we just need to quit out of self-service and reopen it. So let's click OK and quit out of the app. And now we want to reopen self-service, and you'll see there's a new category on the left here called Migration. The only item here is Switch Mac Authentication to BRid. And this pops up a little information window. This is your last chance to kind of read through things again, just to make sure all the ducks are in a row. If we're ready to go, we're going to click Convert Now. And up in the top right corner of your Mac, you'll see the notification as the procedure starts. And at this time, we're just going to sit and wait for this to finish. It doesn't take very long. There's a script that is taking care of everything on the back end very magically. It's downloading the JumpCloud agent for your Mac, and it's connecting your account to this computer. You can see there in the notification we're all done. We can hit close, quit out of self-service. And finally, let's open our applications folder and make sure that the JumpCloud application is here now. So we're going to click on applications. There it is. And we're going to double click this guy. I think I'm showing you here just to see what it looks like. Let's double click it. You'll see up in the menu bar that icon is now present. If you click on that, you'll see your username at the top, your name. In this case, Flightboard is my test user. I'm going to put in my current password, and I'm going to type in a new password just to show you how your password changes will happen from now on. This is how you will do it from now on. Never again will you have to go to your system preferences, accounts, and change your password there. In fact, if you do that, bad things will happen. So always make sure to use this menu bar app to change your password. And that's it. Thank you.